Okay, hi everyone, welcome to Fluid Art by Christine. So I'm going to do a 24 by 30 canvas. I'm going to be using the blow dryer. I really like the effect that it gives. So I've chosen colors that are very reminiscent to peacock, purple, gold, and plum, a royal blue, and green and turquoise. I'm not sure how much turquoise I'm going to put in it. I'm going to kind of see how it looks once I see it on the canvas. And I'm going to attempt to do 3 big plumes on a black background with some gold thrown in there. And so I did have to make my own mix for this plum color. So that's just red and a teeny bit of phthalo blue, just the tiniest bit. And this is Artist Loft Violet. This is Basics, a mix of phthalo blue and metallic blue. And this green is a little bit of a mix of phthalo blue and like a bright green. And this is Artist Loft Turquoise. And then I have Artist Loft Flow Gold, because I prefer this gold. It stands out really good when it dries. And I also have here a deep, almost black plum in this bottle. So quite a lot of different colors going on. And it's time to get this stuff out of my way. Lots of room, lots of colors going on here. Okay, so I hope it turns out, and I hope I have a lot of fun in the meantime. So let's get started. taking a really good look at this, and I'm a little bit concerned as to the definite lines here. So I want to play around with that, because it's too obvious. That is awesome. Woo! Wow! That is awesome. Guys, this method is so much fun. It is so much fun. And if I wanted to, I could go put in, you know, more, but I'm getting the really great effects right now, and I was thinking about having a little more separation, but the way the waves of color are blending, I don't really care that it doesn't have negative space in between the plumes. Like, I don't know if I could even really do that with the blow dryer. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. I am thrilled. Okay. Whether it looks like a peacock or not, it just looks really cool. I'm gonna Sorry for the glare, guys, but this is my light. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know I did. If you want to see more like this, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications when I come out with new videos. And I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. See you later.